Baldur's Gate 3 is an upcoming role-playing video game that is being developed and published by Larian Studios. It is the third main game in the Baldur's Gate series, itself based on the Dungeons & Dragons tabletop role-playing system. A partial version of the game was released in early access format for Microsoft Windows, the Stadia streaming service, and MacOS on 6 October 2020. The game will remain in early access for at least 1 year before the completed version is released. Baldur's Gate 3 is a role-playing video game that looks to offer both a single-player and cooperative multiplayer element. Players will be able to create one or more characters and form a party along with computer-generated characters to explore the game's story. Optionally, players will be able to take one of their characters and team up online with other players to form a party. It was announced during the PAX East 2020 event that, unlike the previous Baldur's Gate games, Baldur's Gate 3 combat would be turn-based, similar to Larian's earlier games Divinity, Original Sin and Divinity, Original Sin 2. In the late 15th century DR, almost a century after the events of Baldur's Gate 2 Shadows of Am, the forces of darkness are on the rise. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.